I found a new subgenre that I am obsessed with, and that is dark academia. Now, this is the first book that I have knowingly read that had was dark academia, and I really enjoyed this. So, Blood Over Brighthaven is it's just an epic book. I can't explain the feeling that I had reading this. The way that the author has written this, like, drew me into the world and hooked me. And I can't really explain why. It was just kind of like, as much as I hate to say this, it was just the vibes. I really enjoyed this. So, you have a world where there is there's a magic system whereby it's very much a mathematical and analytical magic system. It's not instant. It's not like you thingy your wand or you say some words and something happens. You need a spellograph and you need to write your spell out, and it needs to have multiple factions to it. So, for example, there's action spells, things like that. And so they have to plot coordinates as to where they're going to siphon the energy from. And that is really interesting. Now, it sounds quite complicated, but when you read it, it's explained in a way that is really simple to understand. And so I really enjoyed that. There is definitely a political stance to this book in terms of the politics of the universe and between gender inequality and also sort of, I don't want to say culture, but it's like location inequality. So I think it's like the Terranian is like the group of people. It's like a city within a place, and they are very much the magic holders. They're the people that run this city, and there's a wall, and outside of that is the people called the Quen. Now, the Quen that come into the city are seen as lesser citizens and are basically kind of like the slaves for the Terranian people. And so this kind of explores that theme of inequality, both through gender and through culture, shall I say. And so I found that really interesting. And the main character, Siona, she is actually the first high mage, because mages can't be, like, females can't be mages. That is kind of like the premise of the book. And so it's really, really, really interesting. And there are some revelations in this that I just wasn't expecting. And yeah, I really, really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. And I would very much recommend you read this if you haven't already.